Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, if you think you have a friend in politics, then you are a fool. Your allies in politics only align themselves with you for as long as it is expedient for them to do so, and as soon as you stop serving the purpose that you serve for them, then it is bye bye birdie. So this repeats again, as guys I bring you this. I am doing what they call Sidon look. Rotimi Amechi reacts to crisis rocking APC. So Rotimi Amechi, of course, a guy that looted Rivers State for 8 solid years, Rivers State being one of the top 4-5 richest states in Nigeria, who has now found himself in the Ministry of Transport as the minister for that ministry. So his money is more than over complete. It's just a looter continua all the way through. This guy has not known anything but looting since 1999, so he's already fully satiated. His belly is full, as they say within the Nigerian space, so he's not interested anymore, is what he's saying to these people, and is directing it by my reckoning in the direction of Oshiomhole, that I am not your party, don't come near me, your yawa is your yawa. So again, the headline, I am doing what they call Sidon look, Rotimi Amechi reacts to crisis rocking APC. So now let's see now how Rotimi explains this. Minister of Transport and leader of the All Progressive Congress in Rivers State, Rotimi Amechi, has reacted to the crisis rocking his party, APC, at the national and state levels. Amechi, in a statement released by his media office, said he has decided to steer clear of the in-party politics because people know him as being blunt, which sometimes can be misunderstood for arrogance. Amechi wondered why the crisis within the APC cannot be resolved, especially when all members of the party are adults. So here is now his statement in full. What is happening in APC, I don't know. What is happening in Rivers State, I don't know. What I have done is to keep away from politics. Even if I bothered, it will be internally. There is nobody there that is in the party who is a child. We are all adults. I don't get involved in politics, says the politician, by the way. Rotimi Amechi apparently doesn't now get involved in politics, but we carry on. Nigerians know me for being blunt and honest. Some see it as arrogance, some see it as being brash. Whatever it is, what do I need to say that I have not said before? It is internal dynamics of politics. It is internal struggle. So I have said this several times. When we fought in 2015, I said this country cannot continue the way it is going. I am not hopeless, but I am doing what they call Sidon look. I believe that no matter how angry you are, no matter how institutions are manipulated, a judge once said, I am allowed to be wrong. That's why you have the appeal court. That's why you have the Supreme Court. So if you think what the state judiciary is doing is wrong, then you go to the Court of Appeal, you go to the Supreme Court, and ensure that you exhaust the due process. There are more than 10 litigations bordering on leadership crisis in the party at the Federal Capital Territory, Edo, and Rivers State. So, as I said, the Rotimi Amechi doesn't really care anymore. This is a dollar billionaire, by the way, because you have to remember that Rivers State is one of the oil belt states, and they get this 13% derivatives, which goes on top of their national monthly allocation. This is a state that is stupendously rich, and Rotimi Amechi looted that state in toto for 8 solid years, and he took that gamble then to back Buhari, and Buhari emerged as the victor in 2015. So he has now gone from that Rivers State governorship to the Ministry of Transport, where he is now responsible for all the railway system within the Nigerian space. So another plum job, another cushy job, another round of dollars looting. So having looted all of that 13% derivatives for River State for 8 solid years, this guy is now sitting on top of the vast fortune that is the Nigerian railway system. So, and you are asking him to come and be supporting Oshiomhole. Get out of here, is what he has said to Oshiomhole. I don't care. I don't know you. Are you my family? Who I don't even know, I've never met you before until we joined this party, and you are looting, I'm looting. So if your looting has finished, how does that concern me? Have you not stolen enough? I mean, you bought yourself a beautiful wife from Cape Verde, so that should satisfy you. These are the things that Amaechi is saying to Oshiomhole, in effect, get out of here, but he termed it as sit-down look. So sit-down look is now the new language of the Nigerian politics, and Rotimi Amaechi, the Minister of Transportation and former two-term governor of Rivers State, is now telling you and I that he doesn't like to get involved in politics. What says you? Conversations in the comment section. Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me now what you're making of this silly now comment. By my reckoning, but it might not be silly by your reckoning. Come tell me what you're making of Rotimi Amaechi's comment in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you before I lose my voice in the comment section. But here I say peace.